Wondering why you should have a US dollar investment account? Some very good reasons. Let's check it out. Given the ongoing malaise of the Canadian US dollar FOREX rate, for example, the Canadian dollar right now at this writing, or filming rather, is just over 73 cents. Canadians have been taking it on the chin as far as the FOREX goes. Now, if you're like a lot of my clients and you like to travel down south when the weather gets yucky and icky and cold here in Canada during the winter months, it can really be beneficial to have money in US dollar. So let's bring up a chart here that I grabbed off of Thomson One. Over the last 2 decades, you can see the craziness that's been happening in the FOREX rate between Canada and the US over the last 2 decades. Not only has foreign exchange had a huge impact on Canadians' travel costs negatively, it's also had a huge impact on your investment portfolio. While the Canadian dollar was going down, the US dollar was going up. The US also is one of the most broadly diversified economies as far as investing in publicly traded companies. In my experience, it reduces risk to your portfolio and also can increase return over time by having a nice balance between Canada, the US, and some international assets. Additionally, if you have a dividend focus, and there are lots of dividend paying companies in the US, and you hold them inside a US dollar taxable account, the dividends will build up, and at some point during the year, you can call us up and say, hey, I need some US dollars, I'm going to Hawaii, or wherever it is that you're going. And the foreign exchange will have zero impact on your ability to do so at that time. There's a multitude of reasons of why you should consider having US dollar investments in an investment account. Everybody's situation is unique, and you need to have a conversation with your accountant and with your wealth management professional. Remember, experience is priceless. I'm Anna Hilberry, wishing you an excellent day.